Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Mastercard gift card is activated and showing enough dollars for the purchase. Open your Xbox account and go to Payment and Billing so you can add a new card. This is faster than redeeming unclear balances. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the billing ZIP exactly as on the card. Once done, make sure the card type reads Mastercard and that there are no typos before continuing to the next step. You now add the card directly to Xbox or to your Microsoft account online. On console, go to Settings, Account, Payment and Billing, then add a payment option. Online, navigate to Payment Options and choose Add a Credit Card. Enter the exact billing address the issuer expects to pass AVS checks. This prevents declines. After saving, watch for a small authorization charge or pending hold. This verifies the card is valid. Once the hold appears and clears, you can use the balance. You finish by selecting the game, subscription, or store credit and choosing your Mastercard as the payment method. Confirm the purchase and watch for a confirmation email or on-screen receipt. If the card lacks enough dollars, split the payment with another card or first convert the Mastercard balance into a Microsoft gift card via purchase elsewhere, then redeem it to your account. If a payment fails, check that the billing address matched. Contact the card issuer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.